Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to WeeklyTools, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the world of trouble codes, specifically the notorious P0171 code. If you've got that pesky check engine light staring you down, don't worry, we've got your back. Stick around as we guide you through diagnosing and fixing the P0171 trouble code. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the P0171 code? P0171 code is set by your vehicle's powertrain control module PCM when it detects that the air-to-fuel ratio of your vehicle is too lean. This means that the PCM is relaying that the engine is receiving too much air into the combustion chamber and not enough fuel. The first step in fixing the P0171 code is to diagnose the issue. Grab a diagnostic scanner. You can find affordable ones online or at your local auto parts store. Plug it into the OBD-II port, usually located beneath the dashboard. Read the code, and if it's P0171, we are on the right track. Now, let's explore some common causes of the P0171 code. It could be a vacuum leak, a faulty mass airflow sensor, a clogged fuel filter, or even a malfunctioning oxygen sensor. Today, we'll focus on one of the most frequent culprits, a vacuum leak. Now let's talk about how to fix the P0171 code. Here are the steps to fix P0171 code. Step 1. The MAF sensor. Remove the MAF sensor. It's usually situated in the air intake system, between the air filter box and the engine. Find the connector attached to the sensor and carefully press the release tab while pulling to detach it. Once disconnected and unbolted, gently pull the sensor out of its housing. Spray clean the MAF sensor. Spray the MAF cleaner according to the instructions on the can. Typically, you'll want to hold the can about 4 inches away and spray short bursts in 10-15 repetitions, aiming at the sensor element but avoiding direct contact. Reinstall the dried MAF sensor. If you removed any parts to access the sensor, reinstall them in the reverse order of removal. Ensure all clamps and connections are secure. Step 2. The oxygen sensor. Remove the oxygen sensor. Use an oxygen sensor socket wrench, often with a cutout, for the wiring to loosen and remove the sensor from the exhaust pipe. Be careful as the sensor can be stuck tight due to high temperatures. Reinstall a new oxygen sensor. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of the new sensor to prevent them from seizing in the future. Thread the new sensor hand tight first, then tighten it further using the wrench following the torque specifications mentioned in your car's manual. Once you've fixed the issue, it's time to clear the P0171 code. Use your diagnostic scanner to erase the trouble code, and voila! But we're not done yet. Take your car for a test drive to ensure everything is running smoothly. If the check engine light stays off, you've successfully tackled the P0171 code. Important note, remember, these are just basic steps. Every car is different, and your specific repair process might vary. Always consult your car's manual or a professional mechanic for detailed instructions and safety precautions. That's a wrap for today's video on fixing the P0010 code. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there's another automotive topic you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safely.